Hello garden lovers, welcome back to Gardening on a Budget series. Today we're going to be discussing episode 6, Best Budget Soil Mix for Home Garden. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you dreaming of a lush home garden but worried about the cost? Don't worry. Building healthy, nutrient-rich soil doesn't have to be expensive. With just a few affordable ingredients, you can create a budget-friendly soil mix that helps your plants grow strong and healthy. Whether you're planting herbs, vegetables, or flowers, the right soil is the foundation for success. Start with 2 parts garden soil. It's cheap, easy to find, and provides the structure your plants need. Then, add 1 part compost. Compost is rich in nutrients and can often be made at home from kitchen scraps and yard waste, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. This combination delivers a balanced base that supports root growth and nutrient absorption. Next, improve the texture and water retention by adding 1 part cocoa peat or peat moss. These materials help keep the soil moist without becoming waterlogged. To ensure proper drainage and prevent root rot, mix in ½ part sand or perlite, whichever is more affordable or available in your area. This step creates a well-aerated mix that encourages healthy root development. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.